Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change a Facebook page name. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to open your Facebook application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application here. If you are not using the latest version, if you want to upgrade your Facebook, just go to your Google Play Store or App Store. Look for Facebook, and then if you see the update button right here, all you need to do is to click that one and then wait as it is updating. Once done, then you can now open your Facebook. And then here you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner. And then you have to look for the page setup or page details. But if you can't find it here on your settings and privacy, then tendency is that you haven't switched your Facebook to your page. So you have to make sure first that you're using your page right now or switch to your page. Tap on the three lines, tap this gear icon, and then this time, what you're going to do here is you have to look for a page setup. So it may be different in your Facebook or your Facebook setting, but you can go to page details or page setup. So for me, I have to go to page setup, and then here I can see the name of my page. And in order for me to change, I'll just have to tap, and then there is a message here that if you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. So you must be careful when changing your Facebook name. So as you can see, I have here my current name or current page name and then my new page name. Once I'm okay with that, I'm going to tap on submit proposal or submit for proposal and then wait for their approval. And basically, that's how easy it is to change a Facebook page name. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.